Want to convert YouTube to iPhone ringtones without iTunes? Here's how to make a ringtone from YouTube to iPhone in under 60 seconds. You will need an iPhone and a computer. It can be a Mac or Windows, doesn't matter. First, download and install iRing, the YouTube to iPhone ringtone converter. Link will be in the description. Then, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Now, open up the newly installed iRing and let's download YouTube ringtones to iPhone. Click on search and type in the desired artist name. iRing will pull the results from YouTube and SoundCloud. Select a YouTube song and then just trim the desired fragment and click next. If you're in the mood, add some sound effects or a voice recording and hit export. Finally, you simply select your iPhone and the YouTube ringtone will be converted directly into your iPhone. The ringtone will instantly show up on your iOS device. To set that YouTube ringtone on your iPhone, go into Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtones, and then select the newly downloaded ringtone. And that's iRing.